Okay, I'm going to light the... Oh, hold on, let me just put this down. Well, I meant to put it down a bit more better than that. Anyway, so I just chopped a few fire sticks. Kindling, people call them. Put them in there for a second. Also picked up a glove. Just one, I only need one. I'll show you that in a second. Oh, put these down the back. Right, okay, so we've got them all. Open her up. Now I've got a bit of a stick here. What I tend to do is just anything from the sides. I leave the old briquettes in because there's still some life in them. Get that out of the way. The drawer. I just pull that out. And then there we go. Clean that up a little bit. I'll pop that on the garden. Okay, pop him back in. And if I pull him back out, you'll be quite surprised. Okay, because we only get a smidgen. Okay, so usually one of these full is a whole day's burn. Okay. So next I could use paper or cardboard. I'm not going to, and I'll show you why. I've got a bit of a secret weapon, which is a bit cheaty, but we'll see. So I'm going to start putting some wood in now, and I'll show you in a sec. So I sort of use a crisscross pattern, if you can see roughly what I'm getting at. Okay, so they're all right at the very back. Then I shall put on some briquettes. Only a few. Now these last 4 hours. It says a 24% hotter, up to 80% less smoke, and they don't smoke at all. These are smokeless fuel. Okay, so that's what I'm using. I bought these, if anybody's interested, from Aldi's. Not Aldi's, no. Hold on, it wasn't Aldi's. It was not Aldi's. It was ASDA. They were the cheapest. I found them online, and they are what is it? 10 kilos for £6.60 or something. Brilliant. Sorry about the hand shaky bit. They are a little bit wet. I don't know why they shouldn't be, but anyway, they do keep them outside. So I put a few on, I'd say about 10 altogether. Alright, and then I'm going to put a log now. So there you go. You can see I fill up quite a bit. Nice and dry. These two are really dry. This one is like a pine. And this one is, I think, is a lime, which is really hardwood. Now, you're thinking, how the hell is you going to light that with no cardboard and nothing? Sometimes as well, a little tip or a hint for anybody if they're interested. If you get your sticks and cut quite a few, if you leave them in some diesel and just leave them in there, they will absorb the diesel and it makes life a lot easier. Okay, now, that is a tip from my wife's mum many, many years ago. So here we go. How do I light it? Well, you'll like this. You ready? I use a plumber's torch, my plumber's torch. I give it a couple of good blasts. See it going. We'll leave the drawer open, this one at the bottom here, by about an inch. Actually started to go. I open the top vent, see how we get on, and then the glass is a bit, but you can hear it. So that's drawing now, okay? Just keep an eye on it. And that's really all there is to it if it goes out a little bit. These are really handy. You can get anything, a plumber's torch, well, it doesn't have to be this particular one. But any will do it. Okay, I'll just turn the flash off. Away we go. And that's it. Clean the glass a little bit so you can see better. Okay, so that's how I light my Outbacker Hygge, Hygge, H-Y-G-G-E, I think it's pronounced. I'll put it in the description where I got it from, and I'll leave a link as well if anybody's interested. I'll also leave a link, well I can't leave you a link, but I can tell you where to get them from, and I'll put them in the description as well. So from ASDA, okay, not Aldi, ASDA. Cheapest ships, just I bought 4 bags at £6.20, £6, no, let's go £6.50 a bag, roughly. Alright. And then eventually I will just close this up. It'll dampen down, but at the moment, let's get it going. Alright, cheers, thanks for watching. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and a like, that would be fantastic, and we'll catch you definitely in the next one. So I just want to emphasise, sorry before I go, what I meant by diesel. If you've got an old bucket, no holes in it of course, get your fire sticks like this, or your little kindling, stand them upright and just put the ends in. You only have to have about 1 inch of diesel in the bottom and it'll absorb it, and you won't get covered in muck or anything, but that's all you need. So a little bit of diesel in the bottom and the fire sticks will draw it up a little bit, and it just makes for really easy starting. Okay, cheers.